I'm Anil Kumar, and now we will understand how to find derivative using quotient and chain rule and how to simplify such an expression. We have an example here. F of x equals to 10x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5 to the power of 6. Express your answer in a simplified factored form. Now we'll find the derivative using the quotient rule, which is if u over v is your ratio of functions, that's the quotient, then the derivative is v squared, and the numerator you have derivative of u times v minus u times derivative of v. So that is the equation which we are going to use, right? So let us say that f dash x is how much? So f dash x is equal to, here we have 6 as the power, right? So first we'll use the power rule and the chain rule. So 6, it becomes 6 times 10x minus 1 over 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 times chain rule d dx of inside term, which is 10x minus 1 over 3x plus 5, correct? And now we'll apply the quotient rule for this, right? So we get 6 times 10x minus 5 over 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 times derivative of this will be denominator square, which is 3x plus 5 whole square, right? Derivative of the numerator, which is 10 times the denominator 3x plus 5 minus the numerator, which is 10x minus 1 times derivative, which is 3. So that is how you're going to get, right? Now let us simplify this further. 6 times 10x minus 5 over 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 times, open this bracket, right? So we get 10 times 3 is 30, so we get 30x plus 50 minus 30x, and this minus and minus becomes plus, right? So we have plus 3 divided by 3x plus 5 whole square, right? And then we can say, now 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 and square will give us 7. Do you see that? And so we could write this as 6 times 10x minus 5 to the power of 5. I'm writing numerators together. 30x minus 30x is 0. Plus 50 plus 3 gives us 53. So this is times 53. And divided by, we have here 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 times, again we have 3x plus 5 whole square, right? So that is what we have. And now you can multiply 53 by 6. So we get 6 times 3 as 18, 8, 1, 6 times 5, 30, 31, times we have 10x minus 5. You could take 5 common here, actually I should have taken 5. Anyway, let's write it like this itself at present, and the denominator will be 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 plus 2, which is 7, right? So that is how you could simplify it. Well, I don't know why I was writing 5 here. There is 1 in the equation, so let me correct this. This is not 5 but 1, right? So let me correct this. This is not 5, so that is a mistake. It is 1 here. Okay, 5 is in the denominator, so I just made this correction in good time. That is good. So that is how you actually simplify your expression. Remember, here we are doing both chain rule and the quotient rule, correct? So derivative of the outside function times the derivative of inside function, that is the chain rule. After applying the chain rule, apply the quotient rule, multiply the 2's, and then simplify. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.